I'm Libby and I'm doing the level 1 diploma in electrical installation. I enjoy the part where you get your diagram and then you have to put it in the same way on the wall, so it's like you're imagining it yourself and then how it's going to be at the end and stuff like that. I feel like I've gained a lot more confidence and how to communicate with others that I'm not exactly the ones that you don't really know. Because when you get into college, it's a different environment from high school. So you feel like you want to be here, not that you have to be like you do when you're in high school. So it's just completely different. You feel like you want to be there. You don't have to feel like you're forced to be there. It's just one of them places that you just feel oh, I'm comfortable here. The support from the tutors is really good, because when you're doing your practical work or your theory work, they can look at what you're doing, and then if they see you struggling on something, they'll be like, oh, do you want help with this? And then you can be like, oh yeah. So then they'll just help you with that bit, and then say if you had, I don't know, something going on at home, you can just say, oh, I'm struggling with this at home. And I'll be like, oh, okay. And then take it in and then find a way to help you. Because you've got safeguarding and stuff as well, so. I went to a Christmas fair last year because I'm student rep. So what I did was I stood at one of the stalls and helped run it, and then you got your own chance to go around and look at the other stalls and stuff.